If your Subaru Impreza keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, the solution is usually simpler than a trip to the dealership. Surprisingly, 85% of connection drops are caused by low quality or damaged charging cables rather than the car itself. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music stable again. Start by cleaning your phone port and performing a soft reset of the Starlink head unit by holding the volume knob. Always use an Apple-certified MFI cable under 3 feet long to ensure the data signal remains strong enough for CarPlay. Check that Siri is enabled on your iPhone, as CarPlay requires it to function properly in modern Subaru models. If you have a newer Impreza with wireless CarPlay, interference from local Wi-Fi networks is often the culprit for drops. The vast majority of users find that a new cable or a simple system reset fixes the issue without needing a dealer. If the problem persists, try a full factory reset of the Starlink system and repair your phone from scratch. If your screen is rebooting even when no phone is plugged in, you likely have a hardware fault that requires a warranty replacement. Remember, always check the physical cable and port for debris before assuming your infotainment system is broken. With a clean port and a fresh cable, your Impreza should be back on track. Drive safe and subscribe for more fixes.